In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube watermark to your videos. Let's get started. You should add a YouTube watermark because your audience can easily subscribe to your channel. However, the watermark is going to be small, so don't add too much text. It is better to make the watermark look like a subscribe button, so if your audience clicks it, they can subscribe to your channel. However, the watermark is not clickable on mobile and only on computers and laptops. Now, let me show you how to make it, using Canva, which is free. First, the size of the watermark. It is 150 by 150. Now, change the background color to red, to display YouTube's color. Now, I'm going to add the YouTube logo. I'm also going to add the text, which is going to say subscribe. Now, resize and move the YouTube logo and the text to your liking. I'm going to crop the YouTube logo because it is too big. This is what it looks like. Now, it is time to download it. It is better to export it in PNG because it has a bigger file size, meaning it is better quality. Now I'm going to show you how to add it to YouTube. Now, open up YouTube Studio. In the left column, scroll down and click Customization. Click Branding. Scroll down to Video Watermark and upload the watermark that we made in Canva. Click Done, and then click Publish. Let's see what it looks like on a video. This is what it looks like. If you liked this video, please press the like button. If you like this type of content, smash the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.